Welcome to the second episode of Live VA Job Application kung saan mag-a-apply tayo ng trabaho on the spot as a virtual assistant or as a VA. Pero ang catch nito, hindi ko isasend yung application ko to the client. Bakit? Kasi I want you to do it on your own. In short, ikaw yung magsasend ng template na gagawin natin for today. So, ready ka na ba? Let's get started! So, ang una natin gagawin ay pumunta dito sa onlinejobs.ph. Once na makapunta na tayo dito, isi-search natin dito sa search box ay social media. Ayan. Tapos, lalabas na yung mga trabaho na related sa social media. So, here we have Meta Facebook Ads Manager, meaning mag-run ka ng Facebook ads. Alam mo yung mga sponsored post, ganun yung gagawin nyo. Next, meron nakasulat na virtual assistant, influencer marketing strategist, Figma designer, WordPress expert, Go.game developer, WordPress developer. Nako, mukhang kailangan nating palitan ng search term natin. So, instead of social media, lalagay natin ay social media manager. Ayan, at meron ng lumabas na isa from Mark Lebron. So, tingnan natin kung pwede natin tong applyan. Kasi sabi dito, part-time yung hinahanap nila, tapos $600 a month yung salary. $600 a month ay around 30,000 pesos sa pera natin. So, we're hiring social media manager, content editor, and YouTube thumbnail designer. Are you a content killer, brand whisperer? Okay. Position 1, social media manager. Kailangan marunong daw kayo gumamit ng Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, at Threads. Ano yung mga skills sa kailangan? Proficient in caption writing and copywriting. Able to use AI tools or ChatGPT daw. Familiar with scheduling tools. Can take raw content, build content calendar, and execute with excellence. Tapos, can extract value from one long-form video to repurpose across platforms. Tapos, okay. Start date ay ASAP. Contract, freelance. Yung pay ay monthly or part-time to full-time. So, itong trabaho na to ay perfect for those people na merong full-time job kasi pwede nyo itong gawin on the side. O, diba? Dalawa na kaagad yung magiging source of income nyo just by applying to this one. So, anong gagawin natin bago tayo mag-apply? Well, yung una natin gagawin ay mag-open nitong slides document. Bakit? Anong meron sa slides document na natin? Ito kasi yung template ng proposal na isasend natin kay client. So here, nakikita nyo, meron tayong 6 pages, 6 slides. So sa first part, social media management for, sinabi ba nila kung anong industry nila? Well, let's take a look. Okay, mukhang base dito, mukhang wala silang sinend na industry. Alright? So, yung pwede natin gawin dito, tanggalin na lang natin tong part na to. So, social media management lang yung nakalagay. Pero, sa contact name, meron ba tayo nakita sa contact name? Well, meron tayo nakitang person sa contact name. Dito natin siya makikita. Pag clinic natin yung back, makikita natin dito sa job post na may nakasulat Mark Lebron. So, yun yung ilalagay natin dito sa contact name. Mark Lebron. Alright? Ang next step na gagawin natin ay mag-a-add tayo ng game plan. Ano yung game plan? Ito yung activities na gagawin natin once na ma-hire na tayo. Kung mapapansin nyo dito sa game plan, meron tayong process na nakasulat from task 1 to task 5 tapos $sign. Ano-ano yung ilalagay natin dito? Yung ilalagay natin dito ay kung ano yung nasa job description. Tignan muna natin ano ba yung mga requirements na nasa job description. Proficient in caption writing, copywriting, able to use AI tools, familiar with scheduling, can take raw content. So, meaning, ang pwede natin unang ilagay dito ay plan or create a content plan. Ayan. After ma-create ang content plan, write scripts and captions. Tapos, create the posts. After ma-create yung post, schedule posts. And lastly, ang pwede nating ilagay after schedule post, optimize based on performance. Ayan. So, ano yung optimize based on performance? So, dito, i-optimize natin yung mga future posts based sa current performance ng ad or nung post na meron na tayo. Kung nakita natin na, uy, parang gusto pala ng tao yung ganitong klaseng topic. Yung next na gagawin natin na topics, ay kung ano yung pinaka nagustuhan nila. Ganun tayo mag-optimize. After natin ma-lay down kung ano yung mga process, ang next step naman natin dito ay ilalagay natin si action items. Anong meron sa action items? Ito lang yung detailed action items ng ginawa nating process. Ngayon, Coach Pao, paano yan kung hindi ko alam kung ano yung ilalagay ko na action items? Well, you can use ChatGPT to generate it. So, let's go to ChatGPT, no? Tapos, lagyan natin, I'm applying for a job. I am looking to create a proposal with action items. Can you write down action items for this? Pag nalagay na natin yan, ika-copy-paste na lang natin kung ano yung mga nakasulat. So, create a content plan, write scripts and captions, ayan, create the post, schedule post, and lastly, optimize based on performance. So, click lang natin yung enter at hayaan natin na mag-load tong ChatGPT. So here, halimbawa, action items, create a content plan, research audience interest and trending topics in the niche. So, pwede natin siyang i-copy, tapos i-paste na natin siya dito. Alright? So, pwede kayong kumuha ng isa or dalawa per action item. So, define monthly themes and key topics. Pwede din yan. Next, write scripts. Draft engaging scripts for videos or reels. Ayan. Pwede ding include relevant hashtags. Coach Pao, kailangan bang ilagay lahat? Well, it's up to you. You can put all of them provided na gagawin mo yung lahat ng ilalagay mo. Yun lang yung key dito. Kung hindi mo siya kayang gawin, wag mong ilalagay dito sa items natin. So, create eye-catching designs, graphic and visuals, tapos upload, post. Ayan. So, meron na tayo ngayong action items. So, once na meron na tayong action items, it's time to go to the next part. Ano yung next part? Yung next part natin ay yung other details. Ano yung timeline natin, magkano yung rate, at ano yung coverage ng service natin. So, let's go with timeline first. Most of the time, when we say timeline, meron tayong palaging 1 week to plan content, 1 week to create content, or to plan 1 month worth of content. Lagyan natin ng 1 month worth of content. Tapos, magkano yung rate nyo? So, kanina, na-mention natin na ang salary nila dito ay $600 a month or 30,000 pesos. So, Coach Pao, ilalagay ko ba dito 600? Well, you can put $600 per month here para makita nilang sakto sa budget nila. Pero pwede nyo nang taasan ng konti, like $650 or $700 kasi most of the time, meron pa silang budget na pwedeng ilabas to hire a social media manager. Pero for this example, we'll just put $600 per month. And lastly, sa last part, dito natin ilalagay how you can help, diba? So, kailangan meron ka ditong picture mo. Tapos, nakasulat, run effective social media campaigns. I have 273,000 following on my Facebook page. Create a full content marketing plan for social media. And lastly, yung call to action natin, which is let me know if you want to discuss the plan over a quick Zoom call. Bakit mahalaga yung part na to? Kasi dito, ito na yung next step natin eh. After mo kasi mag-apply sa client, yung next na ginagawa palagi ay magkakaroon ng parang interview. Yun yung Zoom call. Doon sa loob ng Zoom call, pag-uusapan nyo yung project or pag-uusapan nyo yung experience mo. Alright? Ngayon, after natin gawin yung lahat ng to, babalik na muna tayo dito sa onlinejobs.ph. At ano yung gagawin natin? We will click this apply for this job. Ayan. So, subject. Ito ay pwedeng any subject naman, pero pwede mong ilagay rockstar, social media manager here. Or from the Philippines. From the Philippines. Tapos, anong pangalan niya? Kanina, nakita natin ang pangalan niya ay Mark Lebron. So, maganda na babanggitin natin kung ano yung name niya para malaman niya na binasa talaga natin yung job post. Hi, Mark. Oops. And hi, Mark. I'm Pao from the Philippines. Or a social media manager from the Philippines, and I help business owners elevate their social media presence through effective content marketing plans and creation. I made you a quick proposal here. Okay, dahil nilagay natin na I made you a quick proposal here, yung next na gagawin natin ay i-share natin tong ginawa natin. So, just click share. Tapos, lalabas na dito. Ayan. Click natin yung share. Ayan, copy link. Yun na lang para mas madali. Tapos, i-post natin yung link. Once na ma-post natin yung link, ilalagay natin, if you're interested, I can help implement this plan. Let me know if you want to hop in a Zoom call. Regards, Pao. Ayan. Tapos, apply points, kahit ilagay nyo lang 3, tapos click send email. Alright? So, ngayon, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, hindi ko isa-send tong job application na to. Why? For the main reason na ikaw dapat yung mag-send ng job application na to. You can copy the template, you can copy this cover letter, tapos you can also put in your portfolio along with it. Tapos, applyan mo na. So, thank you for watching the episode 2 of Live VA Job Application. Looking forward to see you in the next videos.